Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Vezia review? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should use this platform for shopping or not, because the website is getting attention from the online customers, especially from United States. So let's begin with the detail. It is an online shopping platform that mainly deals in various outfits like top, casual dresses, sweaters, two-piece sets, long sleeves dress, and many more. Means this platform also makes clothing for different big brands. As per the website, they mainly believe in dealing with mutual benefits between manufacturers and the client. Let's check out the specification of Basia.com. It is an online platform that mainly deals in women's outfit. HTTPS secure website. They have shared their physical address, contact details, and email number, but honor details are hidden. You can enjoy free shipping if you shop over $79 plus, and you can enjoy free return within 30 days. Different currency options are given to shop from different region of the world. They have active Facebook and Instagram links. The positive aspect of the website are products are explained in detail. Products are available in all sizes. It has unique products with latest design, eye-catching discount. Social media links with customer reviews are present. It is HTTPS protected website. Products can be stored based on currency also. Negative aspect of the website are high discount on the website can be considered a scam. Trust index detected is 14.2 out of 100, which is extremely bad. Honest details are absent. The domain name was created just 3 months back. So the question is, website legit or a scam? So when we are going into our site, we found that it has low trust index, that is 14.2 out of 100. Domain name was created 3 months back. We found Facebook and Instagram links on official page which are active and have reviews, but on the official website there is no review section. But we found positive reviews from other review website. As far as its content is concerned, it is original content and the image is also original. Honest details are not mentioned. We found the physical address legit. You can enjoy free return policy for 30 days. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us. So when we check out on other platforms, especially from social media and review portal, we found that the customers mostly are satisfied, but the traffic is low because it is a new portal. So we recommend you all to analyze all the point we discussed with you before making any purchase from the site. Like from according to our research and the reviews we found on social media on other reviewing site, we can say that it is a legit website, but still some points cannot be ignored as it is hiding the honest detail. So we recommend you to shop from trusted website like Amazon. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you. Moreover, your experience will help the new customer to decide either they should use this platform for shopping or not.